Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about advanced hacking tools that will allow you to identify exploits automatically. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. First, we have SQLMap. So think of SQLMap as the savvy old timer in the pen testing game, not just surviving, but thriving in a landscape filled with ever evolving threats. It automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection, also known as the SQLI, vulnerabilities in web applications. SQLMap works by sending various types of requests to the target web application and analyzing the responses to identify potential vulnerabilities. Once it finds a SQL injection flaw, SQLMap can be used to extract data from the database, gain administrative access to the database, or even execute remote commands on the server. It supports a wide range of databases and includes numerous features for advanced manipulation and customization of SQL injection attacks, making it a highly effective tool for assessing the security of web applications that interact with databases. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Next, we have ZAP, Z-A-P, the Z attack proxy. So welcome to the secret weapon of the web app pen testing world. ZAP, previously known as OWASP ZAP, might not have the household name status, but in the circles of web application warriors, it's akin to what Nessus is in network security. It's an open source web application security scanner designed to help automatically find security vulnerabilities in web applications while you are developing and testing them. The tool functions as an intercepting proxy sitting between your browser and the web application, so it can inspect and manipulate the traffic going to and from the site. This allows ZAP to identify issues such as broken access control, insecure configurations, and other vulnerabilities. Its rise in popularity comes from being both user-friendly and effective for both those new to application security as well as professional developers. Additionally, ZAP provides a range of tools and features including automated scanners, a set of tools for manual testing, and various add-ons for extended functionality, making it a comprehensive solution for web application security testing. Next, we have Burp Suite. So this is number 3, okay? Number 3. Now we're getting to the crown jewel in, the pen testing toolkit, especially when it comes to the world of web application security. Burp Suite is indispensable for anyone serious about diving deep into the intricacies of web app pen testing. Sure, it might not boast the same download numbers as Nessus, but Burp Suite is the sturdy steed that, that's got the back of web application security researchers. It's a complete package and integrated platform that's all about versatility and depth. From scanning and spidering to attacking and exploiting, Burp can, let's talk about what it can do. It can intercept, manipulate, it can URL encode payloads, change delivery methods, and it can send requests right to a website. As a bonus, they have one of the most respected free training academies available in all ways. Their tool can be leveraged in a myriad of situations and objectives. Now, as a bonus, we have John the Ripper. So let's talk about it. So now John the Ripper might not be my, not be someone's everyday tool in the pen testing toolbox, but let's face it, no pen testing tool roundup is complete without a nod to classic art of password cracking. Most experienced pen testers have learned to rely on robust tables they've custom built over time for dictionary and rainbow table attacks, but sans that, John the Ripper will most often get the job done. So that is what I have for you today. I gave you 3 and I gave you a bonus. I gotta give you a bonus, I gotta give you more. So please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Let me know what you think about my selections in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.